Hello guys, welcome to Ekalavya, driven by passion among the series of lectures on aircraft performance. In this video, we're going to discuss regarding the topic altitude effects on rate of climb, absolute ceiling and service ceiling. Altitude effects on rate of climb. Power required curve is as shown in the figure. As altitude increases, power available decreases, and in turn maximum excess power decreases, and in turn maximum rate of climb decreases. The dotted curves indicate the altitude's effect on rate of climb. That is, the new power available and power required and excess power are denoted by the dotted regions. If we plot altitude versus maximum rate of climb, we see that we have maximum rate of climb at altitude 0, that is sea level, and maximum rate of climb decreases with increase in altitude. There is some altitude high enough at which power available curve becomes tangent to power required. Since with the increase in altitude, we saw that the power available curve keeps on decreasing. Power required too will be decreasing, but it will stop after certain limit. It can't go beyond certain point. But power available keeps on decreasing. So we'll end up with one situation when the power available curve becomes tangent to this power required curve. At such altitude, velocity at point 1 is the only value at which steady level flight is possible. For example, let us say the velocity at point 1 is 200 km per hour. If we try to go at 201 km per hour, the flight won't be possible, because after this particular point, if we try to increase the velocity, the power required is more than the power available. So if we try to reduce also, it's the same thing. If we try to go at 199 km per hour speed, again the same thing will happen. The power required will be greater than the power available. At point 1, excess power is equal to 0. Since power available is equal to power required, excess power was denoted by power available minus power required. Since both are same, we'll be having excess power as 0. Then where does that point fall on this altitude versus maximum rate of climb plot? Since excess power is 0, the rate of climb also will be 0. So the maximum rate of climb for that particular condition will be on this axis. Since it is 0, it will lie on this particular axis, and this will be our particular point. This will be the altitude, and this will be the highest altitude at which an aircraft can travel. Absolute ceiling. The altitude at which the maximum rate of climb is equal to 0 is called the absolute ceiling. But it is not easy to fly at such condition. Why? Because we have to fly at that particular velocity only, like 200 km per hour. If we try to go above it or below it, the power required will be more and we can't fly. So flying at this particular altitude with one particular velocity is too risky. The next term, which we'll be calling it as service ceiling. Service ceiling is the altitude at which the maximum rate of climb is equal to 100 feet per minute. So this gives a feasible region, means some allowance is there. You can change your velocity and still you can try to fly. If you convert this in SI units, you will be having the maximum rate of climb should be equal to 0.51 meter per second. Service ceiling represents practical upper limit of steady level flight. Since there is a possibility for variation of velocity, service ceiling will be considered as practical upper limit. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you again in the next video. Thank you.